You want to cover that dull wall, fence, or arbor? But guess what? You don't need vines, because there's a secret group of shrubs that climb just like them. Yes, shrubs. These clever growers may look like ordinary bushes, but with a little guidance, they'll scale your structures with ease and explode into color. Stick around because these 16 climbing shrubs are going to completely transform how you design your garden. Bougainvillea is the showstopper of climbing shrubs, known for its intense papery blooms. Give it a pillar, trellis, or even a fence, and it'll cover it in a vibrant cloak of pink, purple, or red. Plus, you can grow it in pots if you're short on space. Cape Plumbago offers sky blue blooms and works beautifully in containers or ground beds. Though it's not a natural climber, a little support will train it to flow gracefully across your patio wall or garden fence. Emerald Gaiety euonymus starts slow, but once trained, it becomes a climbing machine. Its variegated leaves bring a splash of color to vertical spaces. Just be sure it gets some direct sun for best growth. Tecoma, also called yellow elder, features clusters of yellow trumpet-shaped flowers. It climbs with the right support and thrives in full sun, adding instant tropical charm to any vertical surface. Climbing rows are the definition of romantic elegance. Once established, they scramble over arches, trellises, and railings, filling the space with rich color and a sweet fragrance. Japanese quince brings early spring color with its vibrant blooms. To make it climb, all it needs is a sturdy support and good sunlight. It'll do the rest, putting on a dazzling flower show. Downy clematis gives you soft double blooms in shades of violet and blue. It clings easily to fences and walls and prefers partial sun. Great for cooler zones that still want dramatic blooms. Azaleas may not look like climbers, but give them a chance with the right support and some bright indirect light. They'll twist up railings and posts, adding elegant flowers along the way. Climbing hydrangea is a real vertical performer. It grows tall, up to 8 feet, and features bright green leaves and creamy white blossoms. It tolerates shade well, making it a great option for darker walls. Saltbush is one of the easiest shrubs to train over fences or trellises. It grows fast, loves full sun, and makes a great natural privacy screen that requires little maintenance. Fuchsia isn't just for hanging baskets, it can also climb with a bit of help. Train it along a wall or patio edge for a burst of pink and purple flowers that look like dangling ornaments. Cup of Gold lives up to its name with massive yellow gold flowers. When given full sun and occasional pruning, this shrub will sprawl up walls and give your space a tropical feel. Red Claws, or Escallonia, are evergreen, flower-heavy shrubs with flexible stems that are easy to train. They attract pollinators and fill empty spaces with rich color and thick greenery. Silk tassel bush shines when trained vertically, as its long tassel-like flowers hang down beautifully. It prefers dappled sunlight and adds a touch of the unusual to your vertical garden. Box honeysuckle might look like a tidy border shrub, but train it and it becomes a strong climber. With bright indirect light, it turns vertical surfaces into walls of fine textured green. Firethorn is a hardy shrub that climbs with power. Its thorny branches and orange-red berries make it ideal for a living fence or wall cover. It's drought-tolerant and thrives in full sun. So, the next time you think climbers, don't just reach for vines, think shrubs. These 16 powerhouse plants bring height, color, and texture. No vines needed. If you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more garden transforming tips and ideas.